Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. Today we are making some fresh green beans. Some people call them fresh snap beans, but that's what we're going to make today. Okay, as y'all can see over here, I have my turkey wings. I got some salt and pepper. I got some red potatoes and my green beans. As y'all see, I got some back there in the bag. I'm going to snap these and I'm going to put these in my pot and I'll be right back. Okay, in this pot, as y'all can see, I have put my turkey wings. Now I'm getting ready to add, I put some turkey wings and like a half of a medium onion in there that I have chopped up. Now I'm adding my water. Make sure you add enough water to cover your turkey wings. Now I'm letting my turkey wings boil on like medium, low heat, or low medium heat. And then I'm adding my lid to it and let these boil until they get tender. Wings has gotten tender. They're not always completely tender, but they have, see, y'all can see how the meat have left the bone. That means it's almost tender. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my green beans. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to let my beans cook until they get almost to the desired texture that I want. And then I'm going to add my potatoes because I don't want my potatoes overcooked. You should taste your broth and see if it needs any seasoning. Like I'm always stressing, make sure you season. I got some Lawry seasoning and it needs some seasoning salt in it. I'm also going to add a little onion powder. But you add whatever seasoning that you like. I don't like a whole lot of different seasonings in my beans. If you do like extra season, you can always add them. Let me get another spoon and taste. Now it's seasoned. Like I said, I'm gonna let these boil until they get almost the desired texture that I want my beans to be, and then I'm gonna add my potatoes. So how have y'all been doing? Here it has been raining a whole lot. I snap my beans. Y'all see this part and that part? The way I do it, I just snap that off, that piece. On the other end, I snap the other piece off. Then I break it. Then I break it in half. Okay? That's how I snap my beans. I'm going to do one more for you. Snap that little edge. See that little thing there? Snap that off. And the other end. Snap that off. And break it in half. There you go. Okay, my beans have cooked for like 30 to 35 minutes. Now I'm getting ready to add my red potatoes. Right here you can add your butter. Just use your fork to check the doneness of your potatoes. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to let this boil uncovered 10 to 15 minutes. And after this, to show you my final result. Okay, y'all, here are my green beans. What I'm doing now is get ready to plate it. My green beans and potatoes up. As y'all can see, let me show y'all this. The tenderness of the meat and the potatoes. Okay, y'all see this potato? See, it is ready. See how that part went through it? They're ready. See, it broke. My green beans, they are ready. Sorry for the camera fogging up. Y'all see this turkey meat? It's ready. Okay, now I'm getting ready to plate this up. Plate a few of these up. Add it over there. Okay, okay. This is so y'all can see it really good. Okay, there it is, y'all. Okay. I want to tell y'all thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye. For now. For now. Okay, y'all, I am back. I just want to let y'all know that I'm getting to the requests. Some of the requests, I may not fulfill all of your requests, but thank y'all for all your comments. I just love all my subscribers. I just thank God for all of you that comments me and all of that. I'm just so thankful for y'all, and I just want to let y'all know that I am so grateful for you. Okay, like I say, I'm gonna try to get to as many of the holiday requests and the other requests also. I'm gonna try to get to some of them. I may not get to all of them, but I'm gonna get to some of them. Okay, y'all. Bye bye for now, for real, y'all. All right, y'all have a blessed day.